Hey everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy, and today you're going to learn a basic bow staff throw suitable for all levels. Let's break that down. Bend your arm for me, like a bicep curl. Good. It's at that point in the arm where you're going to place the bow staff. So you're going to come up and under here, okay? Like it's showing everyone in guns. Good. Okay, so once you've got the bow staff locked here, all you do is straighten the arm out like so. You can throw a punch if you wish, or you can just do like a hammerhead down, entirely up to you. And it's that movement of straightening my arm that's going to send the bow staff up into the air. Then you're going to catch it with an overhand grip and then bring it down. If you just have a play around and try a few fast, literally all you do is straighten the arm, pop the bow staff up, and then grab it with an overhand grip. If you're just learning and you want to go here and then grab it underneath, it's absolutely fine. But when you get more confident and you send it up, it's nicer with an overhand grip to finish it off. Now, if you want to place this move into your form or your kata, if you place the bow staff out with the opposite hand that you would link it in with, here like so, you then punch underneath with the right hand, and as you punch, you bring the bow staff to your elbow. Then turn as you coming in, punch up and come down. Just show you from another angle. So I would come round, put the bow staff out with two hands, punch, and as I punch, see how I slightly bring the bow staff and it's bang on point with that elbow bend, okay? So I'm going to turn my fist, bend through the arm, straighten, pop, down. Hope you found that tutorial helpful, guys. It's a really simple move that you can put into any form. Take care, I'll catch you next time. Bye!